Listen, you need to make money and you need to do it quick. Here's why. There is no need for me to explain what's going on, but if you've been living under a cave, here's exactly what is happening right before our very own eyes. I'm pretty sure you heard by now that inflation is rising at a rapid pace, month after month. For example, the rising gas prices, food, clothing, and even daily necessities. Such items would have simply cost you less if you were to buy it 1 or even 2 years ago. It feels like people who are living paycheck to paycheck are honestly slowly drowning in some serious debt. But the worst thing is, they can't seem to find any lifeguard to give them a hand. Let me tell you a secret the rich don't want you to know. Quite frankly, this happened very recently, which no one seems to talk about. But don't worry, I will inform you on what just happened. You see, wealthy people were purchasing assets like crazy just a little bit over 2 years ago. And guess what? They sold at the top. Such assets like houses, stocks, and even crypto were being sold for crazy amounts of profit. And all this happened right in front of our eyes. Just imagine if you bought Bitcoin in 2020 when it was at $5,000 a single coin. Yes, you heard right. $5,000 a single coin, which you were able to hang on to it for a whole year and sold it when Bitcoin touched $64,000. Your initial $5,000 investment turned into a whooping $64,000. This is exactly how the rich get richer. This is a small example of what just happened. Now imagine this with all other assets. The rich people made a disgusting amount of money right in front of our very own eyes. But don't worry, there is some good news for you in this. Now, please pay attention. All these assets are coming right back down. They have been and they're going to continue coming right back down in the following months, including the year 2023. Creating a unique buying opportunity. If you play this game right, you have the chance to become financially free for the rest of your life. But only if you listen to what I say. Just like playing the lottery with a higher chance of winning. Yup, a higher chance of winning. The odds with you. But let me tell you something. None of this is or will be possible if you do not do these two simple things. Look, I won't sugarcoat nothing and get straight to the point and be real with you guys. Ready? Listen closely to what I'm about to say. Number 1, have an extra cash flow. And number 2, buy the dip. Connect those two together, and the important part, take action. And see how far ahead you will become from the average person. If you need help investing, feel free to reach out to me or subscribe to educate yourself. I will leave a link below to help you guys get started with investing. There is no better feeling than having your hard-earned money make money for you. Thank you for stopping by, but before you leave, you have one last thing you have to do. Please, don't let any of this information go to waste. It is important that you subscribe to the channel if you wish to be updated during these scary and hard times. It's been your boy Kendrick, and I'm out. Take care.